Getting on the For You page on TikTok. You're here because you're struggling to get on the For You page and you're wondering what you're doing wrong. You want your videos to stay on the For You page and you want to get likes, views, and followers, right? I've been able to create a system where 95% of the videos that I post on TikTok end up on the For You page. And I'll be teaching you guys exactly what that system is with 3 tips. So welcome back to another dose of Joseph. If you don't know me, I grew on TikTok from 0 to over 810,000 followers in the matter of 40 days. And I teach the strategies that I've learned from the biggest TikTokers and also strategies that I've created myself. And I've helped tons of people get over 10,000 followers and even over 100,000 followers. If you end up liking this video, you'll definitely like all the other videos that I have in my TikTok tips to go viral playlist that I'll be linking down below in the description. And if by the end of this video you learned something, definitely like this video and subscribe because I make videos like this every other day. Send this to a friend or two that are also struggling to grow on TikTok and stay into the end because I always put the best tips towards the end to reward the people that stay. Also, if you want to join my free TikTok viral chat where I keep you guys up to date on the latest trends, and also if you want to watch the first 4 segments of my course for free, it's on my website doseofjoseph.co, and I'll be showing you exactly how to find that on my site and also how to get mentorship from me personally at the end of this video, so stick around. So in the very beginning when I had 0 followers, literally 40 days ago, I had to start from scratch like a lot of you guys. And the tips that I've learned and the tips that I've created have helped me consistently get likes, views, followers by always staying on the For You page. So let's go over the 3 tips that have helped me do that and that can help you get on the For You page more consistently and get your page popping. The first tip and the easiest one is to use the hashtags FYP, For You, and For You page. This seems very simple, almost too simple to make a difference on your page. But I promise you it can make a difference, especially if your content is good. Back when TikTok was still Musical.ly, the For You page hashtag was actually meant to help people get the opportunity to be on the For You page, as you can see from what it says right here. This is still the case on TikTok. The purpose of this hashtag is still to help you share your engaging content and help it get on other people's For You page and help your video go viral. So let's get on the For You page right now and scroll through it just so I could show you that people are actually using this hashtag and getting on the For You page. So look, right now, the first video that I see, For You, hashtag FYP, another one, hashtag For You page, right? Another one, hashtag For You page, hashtag FYP, hashtag FYP, hashtag FY, hashtag FYP, hashtag For You, hashtag For You page, hashtag FYP. So you guys get what I'm saying. That was literally more than 90% of the videos that we just scrolled through. They use the hashtag, and like I said, it can give you an easy boost to help you get on the For You page. If you guys want to dive deeper into hashtags, I actually made a really comprehensive video on the best strategies to use for hashtags. I'll link it right up here, and this is the thumbnail. This is what it looks like. Don't click it right now. Wait until after the video. So set a reminder, write a note down, and remember to go watch that one afterwards. So next, the second tip. For people trying to get on the For You page every single time, you want to post videos that you know for a fact are going to end up on the For You page. And you'll know for a fact because you've seen them on the For You page. Now, what do I mean by this? What I mean is go through the For You page and take a look at what's on there. Write down a list in your notes on your phone of video ideas that you got from the For You page. And also, if you want to be able to save these videos so that you can go back to them later and watch them when you want to actually make the video, let's go into my phone right now. Look, so what you're going to do is you're going to hit the share button and then click add to favorites. And then all you have to do to access your favorites is go to your profile and then hit this button on the right here that looks like a flag right here on the right side. And then you have all the videos that you saved right there. A lot of popular TikTokers are doing this right now. So make it a habit when you're going through the For You page to add these videos to your favorites so you can save them for a later time when you want to make those videos. This is actually how I got started in my niche of optical illusions. I saw one of them on the For You page and I saw how well it did. So I made it for myself. It did really well. So I just continued to make them. And I see a lot of you guys copying me and doing optical illusions also. But guys, be your own person. Go through the For You page. Find something that's working for other people. Try out a whole bunch of different things. And then when one really hits, continue to do that thing. Whenever you see people doing tutorial videos on TikTok and you go to their page and you see what they're doing, don't just copy what they're doing because they have a lot of followers. A lot of people on TikTok have lots of followers and they don't go on YouTube. So try your own stuff, guys. Go through the For You page. You have to try at least 10 different niches in the very beginning before you know what's really going to work for you. All right, so before I get into this final tip, which is honestly my favorite and is the most effective, let me remind you that I'm going to tell you how to get into my free TikTok viral chat and also how to watch the 4 segments on my course for free on doseofjoseph.co and also how to get mentorship from me. So stick around for that. So the next and final tip, guaranteed engagement boosting. What's a guaranteed way to get engagement? By asking for it in your video. You literally just ask people to like, to comment, and to follow in your video. This works best with statement-based content, which is where you're talking to the camera. So for example, if you're talking about sports, so you're talking about politics.
It comes from China.
or you're asking your audience to solve a riddle,
Riddle me this!
or you're giving life hacks or something.
Do you want pearly white teeth the natural way? Now you can do it for cheap. Spray paint your teeth white. Yeah!
It could work with other content as well, but for now I'll just tell you how to do it with statement-based content. Also guys, if you have any questions at this point, definitely feel free to drop a comment down below with a question because I answer all of my comments. So the reason you want to boost your engagement, such as likes, comments, and followers when you post a video, is because the more likes, comments, and followers that you get from any given video, the more that TikTok is going to acknowledge this video as a high quality, high engaging video and continue to push it and keep it on the For You page. TikTok is going to see your engagement go up and be like, let's give this man what he deserves. So I'm going to open my phone right now and tell you exactly how you can do this. All right, so let's do this right now. So right now we're on TikTok. We'll hit the add button on the bottom and open the video creator. God, I look crazy. All right, so watch this. I'm gonna do a video for statement-based content. I'll do a life hack, right? If you guys ever have trouble sleeping, like this video and comment sleep. If you can't go to sleep, just literally blink your eyes really fast for 30 seconds, and then you'll be super tired after that. All right, so I'll cut that part out. Try it, and if it works, hit the add button. Boom. And what I'll do is I'll chop that video up and then I'll post it. And you guys can go see that on Dose of Joseph. When I make the description for that video, I'm gonna put something like having trouble sleeping in all capital letters. And then I'll actually probably write it right on the screen to make it more prominent and get people's attention. And then I'll put hashtags like sleep faster, sleep, and then I'll put FYP, for you page, and then I'll put a couple trending hashtags. So you can see when I was making this video, I told them to like and comment right in the beginning. So whoever's interested in being able to sleep faster, liked and commented on that video. So that's literally instant engagement. And if it works for them when they try it, they might even follow me. So people are gonna be engaging with your video in literally 3 different ways. And TikTok is gonna see this happening and push it out to more people on the For You page. Just make sure you're using good lighting, you're speaking clearly.
That you could do so.
You don't have any unnecessary pauses, and you aren't making any mistakes in your speech. And if you do in the video, just be sure to cut it out before you post it. So this is how I always end up on the For You page. Use these tips and you'll definitely see it work for you. So now, how to get access to my free TikTok viral chat. So all you have to do is go to doseofjoseph.co. Then the first thing you're gonna see is a video. Definitely watch that video, scroll down, and then you can hit the button that says access courses and chats. Now below that button, you can see reviews. I definitely recommend you take a look at those reviews. But once you're on the page that has the courses and chats, right at the top you can access the free viral chat. Just click the button, sign up, and you're gonna get an email with the link to the chat. And then as far as the courses, guys, if you wanna see the first 4 segments for free, just go to where it says TikTok Explosion Chat, click the button that says read details, and then just click the free preview button. You're gonna sign up and then you're gonna get instant access to the first 4 segments. There are really crazy tips on there that have helped me explode my TikTok, so I hope you enjoy that. And also, if you want mentorship from me, you can either get the 1-day mentorship, the 7-day mentorship, and then the 20-day mentorship. The 7 and the 20-day mentorship comes with the course, and what I'm gonna do for you with this mentorship is create a comprehensive spreadsheet for you that's gonna have your goals written out that you tell me about. It's gonna have pages that are similar to what you wanna do, that are successful, that you could study. It's gonna have advice telling you what you've been doing wrong and what you've been doing right and what you could do to improve it. And then it's also gonna have a 7 or 20-day regimen written out for you on what to do every single day to improve your TikTok. I'm telling you guys, I've helped so many people grow their TikTok, explode their TikTok, and go crazy with their fan base and also be able to make money. This course is also right at the end going to tell you how you can make money on TikTok Live and tell you how you can actually make money with the course. So definitely go to that website and check that stuff out, guys. If you like this video, definitely drop a like below and also subscribe because I make videos like this every other day. I'm not going to tell you twice. And also, if you made it to the end of this video, just comment below, I made it to the end, so I know who my loyal viewers are. Again, go take a look at my TikTok tips to go viral playlist that I'm going to be linking in the description and also right here. And once you start seeing success, feel free to DM me on Instagram. I answer everybody back on Instagram that's following me, and I might even post your success on my Instagram story. TikTok is exploding right now, guys, and you need to TikTok is exploding right now. Unique New York, unique New York, unique New York, unique New York. Wow, 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 wow. Unique New York, unique New York. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Boom.